So as you probably know, if you have a valid copy of Windows 7 or Windows 8, you can upgrade to the new Windows 10 for free. It's actually really easy to do, and I'm going to show you how. But what's kind of confusing and cumbersome is doing a clean install of Windows 10 while keeping your free upgrade. The issue with the free upgrade is that you don't get a license key. Instead, your computer's hardware gets registered with Microsoft. So this basically means that once you upgrade to Windows 10 using the free upgrade offer, you will then be able to reinstall Windows 10 on the same device at any time without a license key, but you have to do the upgrade first. And that's exactly what we're going to do in this video. First, we need to run the upgrade process as normal. So if you just want to upgrade without a clean install, these first steps are exactly the same. First, browse out to this Microsoft page and scroll down, then download the upgrade tool. Once it downloads, run it, and at this point, we just want to do a standard upgrade. So choose Upgrade this PC now, and then click Next. The Windows 10 installer will begin to download, which may take a while. When it's done, accept the license agreement, and it will start downloading even more stuff. If you want, you can click Change What to Keep, and you'll get a few options. I want to point out here that even if you choose the Keep Nothing option, it's still not a true format and reinstall. At this point, I really want to stress the need to back up all of your data. Even if you're just doing the in-place upgrade and stopping there, and you don't intend to actually format your hard drive, you still stand to lose data. There is a chance there. Even though it's supposed to keep all of your stuff, you can still lose data. So always have a backup. Just as principle, regularly keep a backup of your data, please. Anyway, so moving on, click Next, and the upgrade process will start and pretty much do its own thing for a while. Eventually, it will ask you to verify a few things and then go through more installing. At this point, we're done with the in-place upgrade, and you have a fully functional Windows 10 system. That is, if everything went smoothly. You could stop here, but then again, in this case, we want to get the best performance out of our PC by doing a clean install. I'll also point out again that the reason for doing the upgrade before formatting and reinstalling is so that our PC gets registered with Microsoft. If we don't do the upgrade first, we won't get an activated copy of Windows 10. Okay, now let's get into the clean install process. To do this, all we really need to do is go and download the same upgrade tool we did earlier. But this time, we're going to choose Create Installation Media for another PC. Then we'll have the option to mount the Windows 10 install image to a USB flash drive or download the ISO that you can then burn to a DVD. I'm going to choose to download the ISO and put it on the desktop. Once it downloads, you can right-click and choose Burn Disk Image. But in this case, I'm going to use another Microsoft tool to mount it to a USB drive. And yes, I could have just chosen to mount it to a USB drive from the first download tool, but I wanted to show you that you can actually download the ISO and burn it to a disk. Once that's done, you can look at the USB drive and see that the Windows 10 install files are there. From this point forward, the steps are the same as a clean install of Windows 7 or 8. All you have to do is reboot and press F12, or whatever key accesses the boot menu while your PC is booting, and then choose to boot to a DVD or the USB drive that has the Windows 10 install files on it. I happen to get this warning. If you do, just click No, and then Next. Then click Install Now, then choose I don't have a product key. Then choose the version of Windows 10 you have. If you had Windows 7 or Windows 8 Pro, you will be upgrading to Windows 10 Pro. Same thing with Home. So go ahead and click to accept the license terms. Obviously you can't move forward without that. Then choose Custom, because we want to do a custom install to format the drive. Then select the partition that Windows is installed on. It's usually the largest partition. And click Delete. Remember, though, that you need to back up all of your data, because this will delete everything. Gone. Vanished. Disappeared. Poof. So now click Next, and Windows 10 will start installing. And when it's done, just run through the setup. When the setup is done, you'll have a completely clean install of Windows 10. And to make sure everything is activated, go ahead and click Start and then type Activate. Then choose See if Windows is activated. As you can see, this clean install is activated, not with a product key, but with a digital entitlement, and that comes from the fact that our hardware is now registered with Microsoft, and we are entitled to a license key. But again, we can only install it on this machine with this hardware. Well, that took some time, but you did it. Congratulations. I hope this was very helpful to you. If you want more great information and videos, make sure to head over to mapletronics.com or subscribe to our YouTube channel at youtube.com/mapletronics. Have a great day.